Here is the census website, my2020census.gov. Once here, you will click Start Questionnaire. In the upper right-hand corner, you can change the language or find instructions, like here. After clicking Start Questionnaire, it will ask you for your 12-digit census ID. Then click Login. You should now see your address here. After confirming yes or no, click Next. Now you will confirm you will be living or staying at that address on April 1st, 2020. Next, you will confirm your first name, middle name, last name, and telephone number. Then click Next. Here, you will begin household questions. Click Start. Here, give the total number of people staying at your address on April 1st, 2020. Then click Next. Here, you will see your name, then list the first, middle, and last names of everyone living or staying at your address on April 1st, 2020. You can remove or add other people. Then click Next. Here, you will see all the people you entered on the previous screen. If you do not need to enter more people, then click Next. Here, you will choose if your house, apartment, or mobile home will be owned by you or someone in this household with a mortgage, owned by you or someone in your household without a mortgage, rented, or occupied without payment of rent as of April 1st, 2020. Then click Next. For this example, we will be using rent. Click who in your household will rent the house, apartment, or mobile home on April 1st, 2020. Then click Next. Now you will answer questions about the people in your house. You will answer the same questions for each person. Start with yourself and click Start. Here, you will select a gender, then click Next. Here, you will enter the person's date of birth, including month, day, and year. Below, you will see how many years old they are. Then click Next. Here, you will select if you are Hispanic, Latino, or of Spanish origin. Then click Next. Here, you will select your race. Scroll with the gray bar on the right up and down to see all choices. You can select more than one race. Then click Next. Here you will choose how each person in the house is related to you. Then click Next. Here you will select any person at your address that lives or stays somewhere else. You can click None of the above. Then click Next. Once you have completed answering each person's questions, you have the chance to edit, remove, or add another person. Then click Start to answer the final questions. On the final questions, you have the chance to edit your questionnaire or submit your questionnaire. When you are complete, click the blue Submit questionnaire. Once you have submitted your census, you will get a confirmation number. Hold on to your confirmation number for any further questions about your census.